Condenser cleaning and care, built-in and Pro 48. We recommend that you clean the condenser area of your Sub-Zero every 3 to 6 months. If you have pets in the home, it may be necessary to clean the area more often. Before cleaning the unit, shut the electricity off at the control panel. Also, wear gloves to avoid injury from the sharp condenser fins. In all Sub-Zero built-in and Pro 48 models, the condenser is located behind the grill. First, pull out on the bottom edge of the grill and tilt forward. Then, using a soft bristle brush, vacuum to remove dust and lint from the condenser. To avoid bending the condenser fins, be sure to vacuum in the direction of the fins, up and down. Failure to clean the condenser could result in temperature loss or mechanical failure or damage.